Hello guys, welcome to my channel Why Succeed, and this is luckyxman here today to tell you something very interesting for your video editing skill, guys. Alright, most of you have been using Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm using Premiere Pro 2020 as well. Alright, and I'm gonna tell you about few guys. You know, they have been working so hard for you guys, and they have been providing free stuff for you, exactly for you guys who've been looking for free stuff, free preset for Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, hang on to it and stay with me, watch this intro, and I'm gonna come back and tell you more. Alright, welcome back guys, and without doing any delay, let's jump into Premiere Pro and show you what's on it. Alright, let's go and let's do it. Alright guys, this is a Premiere Pro 2020, and this is a video I made for my gimbal. I bought this online, and yeah, already done this video, guys. If you want to check this out, you can check out in my YouTube channel. You know, you're already in my YouTube channel if you are watching this video, and you can check this out. But I'm gonna show you example of preset. I talked about the preset, free preset, guys, and this is absolutely killer. All right, let's do this. Let's play this video and watch. Alright guys, if you is in this video, I have applied zoom in effect. Alright, this is slightly 7% zoom in effect. Alright, to do this, you know, what you actually have to do is you have to work, you know, have to go there and make slightly zoom in, zoom out, you know, scale that position, and you have to anchor point, you know, do the anchor point and everything. Alright, that's going to take a lot of time. So these guys, alright, this here you go. This guy is cut to the point. This channel name is cut to the point, and this is a video free Premiere Pro preset you didn't know you needed. Alright, this guy is really killer. I checked this video, they posted on December 20, 2019, and I found out in 2020. Right, I wanted to have some preset, and I got these, and they have provided some link in the bio. You can go there. This is a website, you know, you can go there and put your email address, and what's gonna happen is, let me click that. All right, let me click this, and yep, there is a essential motion preset pack for Premiere Pro, guys. When you scroll it, they have a, you know, the details how you're really gonna upload. You can import the preset, but I'm gonna tell you how you have to do it, and how it's very easy, guys. It's not very, you know, hard or something like that. So there is a first name. You put a first name and email address, and I want it now. They will send you a link in your email. All right, they will send the link in the email, and you can download it from there. You get the hard, you know, drive link, and you can download from there. After you download your file, you get this in, you know, zip file, essential motion zip file, and what I have to do is extract it. Right click, extract all. You know, I've already done it. It's right here, guys. All right, open your Premiere Pro. Yeah, open your Premiere Pro, and this is where you normally get it. And let me try here. I haven't tried this before, but you know, I could try. Doesn't. Yeah, there you go, guys. Right click here on the effect. All right, don't go anywhere else. Right click in the effect, import preset, select the file you want to import it. Yeah, this is the one, essential motion. It was in my downloaded file, guys. Essential motion, click that, open, and it will import it. Easy and quick. I already done it, guys, and it's right here. So there is a preset. I've got a lot of preset available here, guys, and this is pretty good. I loved it. All right, I already applied the preset right here. I'm gonna show you zoom in, Yeah, that's the one. That's the one, guys. That's the one. Zoom in effect. So let's delete this, and I'm gonna do it again. So if you go right here, you could, click and check motion, essential motion. So whatever the preset there you have imported is right here. So what I have to do, if you want to apply zoom in effects, slide zoom in is pretty good, guys. Very good, and it's gonna make your video pretty good. All right, what I have to do is drag and drop, that's all, guys. Just drag and drop, and you'll do the job for you. You don't have to do anything. If you want to tweak anything, guys, you just go in left hand side, effect control, and do the thing. If you want to play with it, play. But most of the preset is right here on the effect preset menu and ready to go for your video. Let's check this out again. You don't even notice the zoom in, it's very hard, but it will make your video stand out. I really liked it, guys. This is the only one example for you, but you could try all of them and use in a video, and very good. I'm gonna provide the link for these guys. I'm gonna provide the video link and the website link for you guys, so you can go there and download your preset and apply in your Premiere Pro 2020 and enjoy, guys. All right, okay, keep tuning, guys. Thank you for staying with me today, and please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, go and hit the subscribe button and bell icon, and so when I upload the next video you wouldn't miss it, and you're gonna love it for sure. Thank you, and have a good day, guys. Bye bye, see you next time.